The last step before launching your webshop is to connect the domain name. Abicart does not sell domains, so you need to buy one from a web host like lopia.se, one.com, or some other international host. The domain needs to be redirected to our servers, and this is done at your web host. There are two ways to redirect the domain: CNAME or a record. You should not do both. CNAME should be redirected to shop.abicart.se. The A record should be redirected to our IP address 192.121.104.141. It is not possible to redirect the domain via named servers. Also, remember to redirect the domain with and without www so that both domains work. If you don't know how to do these settings, you will have to contact the support of your domain host and they will help you out. All the instructions are available in the manual. Just search for domain and you will find everything there. When the domain is redirected, you should make the webshop visible before adding the domain to the shop. Go to Settings, General Settings, and uncheck Hide Shop and save. Click on Domains and SEO, and then the Domains tab. Add the domain, and don't forget to add it with www as well. If you can't add the domain, the new settings have probably not been updated at the domain host yet. This can take up to 24 hours, so in this case, you must have to wait and try to add the domain at a later time. Once the domain is added, click the URL Settings tab. Select the domain for the active languages. If you have several languages, you can use the same domain for all languages. If so, you'll need to add language prefixes for all languages except for the default language. If you have different domains for each language, for example, a .se domain for Swedish and a .com domain for English, you don't need to add a language prefix. We recommend ticking the folder structure setting. Include product category names in the product URLs. This means that the name of the product category will appear in the webshop URLs. This is good for search engine optimization. When everything is set, a so-called SSL certificate will be activated automatically. This can take up to an hour, so you just have to wait. If you preview the webshop and the address shown as HTTPS with the lock in front, then everything is ready to go.